Hi there, my name is Syed. In this video, we will learn what is ERP. So it is a basic introduction about ERP. Okay, so ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So let's take a look at it. Enterprise. So enterprise representing a company, company one, company two, or corporations, different entities in different countries. So basically one company could have multiple companies across globe or within one country, so they all have different legal entities and different functions. So basically enterprise representing the company and corporation or any enterprise. So resource, when we talk about resource, we have logistics, we have employees, finance. So in logistics we can see any company could have a plant, warehouse, they could be having inventory, they could be having where they could be assembly line, they could be manufacturing, or they simply have stock. So it could be different type of stock, plants, warehouses, distribution centers. So they all come under logistics. So these are just few examples. There could be more sales organizations and different procurement organization. There could be different elements are available in logistics. So these are just few examples that is available in resource. Employees are one of the area in enterprise. They could be having different function of payroll function, training, HR department. Basically in finance you could be having in resource in a company they could have a bank account where they have a account payable, account receivable, different functions for their resource management standpoint. So resource representing any company's assets and any employees and logistics area. So that is considered resource and planning. So for example, they have if a company have a stock, and how the stock planning has taken place, how warehouse planning has taken place, human resource planning, making a schedule. So basically ERP representing a big corporation where they have different departments, different function, and how they are playing into the any organization function. So now why were you learning ERP? There are ERP applications in the market. So ERP representing finance application, logistics application, human resource application. So ERP basically is, and any ERP application will cover all of those areas. And let's take an example of SAP ERP application modules. SAP divided those departments into the different modules. For example, SAP FICO is taking care of finance and controlling area. SAP SD is sales and distribution related functions. SAP MM, where is material management side of it. SAP WM, which is warehouse management side of it. So any functions are in ERP, they could be in different application, and applications could be per module in ERP application. So when you hear about any ERP application, the company or the software might have their own terminology as per their application, and ERP basically is representing enterprise resource planning software. Thank you very much. Please go ahead and subscribe. If you like these kind of videos, please leave us a comment. Thank you very much.